Welcome to Safe Kids. My name is Ohemaa. My friends and family call me Mommy. How about you? What are you called at home? I want to be your friend. Let's share little things about ourselves. Were you born in Ghana like me? What are your favorite hobbies? I love to draw in my personal diary. And I love to dance too. Sometimes I play sports. How about you? Do you have a diary and love sports too? My favorite color is purple. Purple bag, purple diary, purple ball. I have them all. Do you love purple like me? These are some instruments that I can play. Tell me your favorite song and I'll play it on your special day. Do you have pets like me? Are there foods that makes you happy? I wonder what you would like to be when you grow up. Oops, time to go. I loved learning about you. Come back again soon. Bye.